We've managed to get the key to this 992 Porsche 911, start it up, go to drive away. They've already got the key, they pop it in gear, see the vehicle cuts out. We get a load of faults, which is completely normal. These clear when starting it correctly, but if a thief got the key, it's going to cut out, it's not going anywhere. So the customer can choose with the Starline Pro to simply just have their phone in their pocket with their Bluetooth on, start the car up. We hear a tone because it knows our phone's here, knows it's us, and we can drive away. As you see, it's gone into gear, vehicle hasn't stalled out. When we leave the vehicle, the phone will go out of range, which is pre-configured by us, so as soon as you leave the vehicle, it's secure. Now if we start it up, we've just turned the Bluetooth off, our phone's gone flat or we've forgotten it one day, we're out, you can go for a code. For now, for the video, we just have 1, 2, 3. We hear that tone, we can pop it in gear. So you have the two choices of turning off this immobiliser. You can also go for an optional tag, which some people like, so they don't need to carry their phone, don't have to do the code, just do a tag. Works the same as the phone. So just to show you again, you hop in the car, your phone can be locked in your pocket, just get in, fire it up and drive away. This is the Starline Pro. Give us a call on 028 212 7393. Customer can obviously choose their own code on this, and it has an unlimited service mode, so when it goes back to Porsche, it just becomes a normal vehicle, no need for a code or your phone or a tag. Once again, our number is 028 212 7393. Thanks for watching.